Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying coverage and picking a data plan that matches your needs. Speed and cap matter. Next, make sure your device is unlocked and charged, then insert the SIM correctly. Once done, power the device and enable mobile data in settings. You should see carrier name and signal bars. If prompted, follow the carrier activation steps. This gets you online quickly while avoiding wasted time on optional setup. You now handle the middle steps that determine reliability and speed. If your carrier didn't auto-configure, enter the APN exactly as provided. Wrong characters block data. Then pick the preferred network mode, 5G or 4G for performance, 3G for longer battery life in low-signal spots, and lock it if needed. If you plan to tether, enable personal hotspot, set a robust password, and limit connected devices to. You finish by verifying the connection. Run a speed test and open a few web pages to confirm the experience. Make sure to set data alerts in your carrier app so you don't hit caps unexpectedly, and secure your hotspot with a strong password. If something goes wrong, first restart the device, reinsert the SIM, and reset the APN. These steps fix most issues. If problems persist, reach out to carrier support with your device model and error details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.